In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule coaching sessions in Wix. By the end, you'll have a fully working booking flow for your coaching services. So clients can pick a time, pay if you charge, and receive confirmations automatically. First, head to wix.com and log in. From your dashboard, open My Sites and choose the website where you want to offer coaching. This keeps everything centralized, so your services, calendar and client messages all live in one place tied to the correct site. Next, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is where you'll place and style the booking elements so they match your brand. If you're working with the site template, the editor ensures the booking components integrate seamlessly with your existing layout and colors. Now, add Wix bookings. In the left sidebar of the editor, select Add Apps, search for Wix bookings, and click Add to Site. Wix Bookings is Wix's built-in scheduling tool, and it handles availability, time zones, reminders, and payments all in one. Because this is a website-based tool, I've also placed a link to Wix at the top of the description so you can get there quickly and follow along. Open Wix Bookings and create a new service for your coaching session. Give it a clear name and description, so clients know exactly what they're booking. Choose the session type, such as one-on-one or group coaching. Set the duration, and add a price if you're charging for sessions. You can also specify where the session happens, online via a video platform or in person, and set your availability, either by connecting to your business hours or selecting specific days and times that fit your coaching schedule. Let's fine-tune the booking experience. In the booking options, set your preferred schedule and add buffer times before or after sessions to prevent back-to-back fatigue and give you time for notes. Turn on automatic email confirmations and reminders to reduce no-shows, and adjust client notifications so they receive timely updates. Review your cancellation and rescheduling policies, and make them clear and fair. This helps set expectations and reduces friction. If you operate across time zones, confirm that your time zone settings reflect your own location to avoid confusion. Before going live, preview your site and run through a full test booking as if you were a client. Make sure the service displays correctly, the time slots appear as expected, the checkout or confirmation step works, and your confirmation email arrives. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your booking system live for clients. That's all. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and thanks for watching.